Good morning, everybody. Hi.
Namaste, everyone. My name is Viva.
Thank you for being with me this afternoon.
To help us find calm within ourselves, all while stretching and strengthening our bodies.
And then we'll come back up to that nice tall spine, crown of the head lifts up to the ceiling.
And then take the right knee into your chest and step the right foot all the way up in between the palms of your hands.
The light and the darkness in me honors and recognizes both the light and the darkness in you. Thank you for your practice.